Neuralink says the FDA designated its Blindsight implant as a breakthrough device. More on that coming up, but first, DJI has been chipping away at GoPro's action cam dominance and just took another big step with the launch of the Action 5 Pro. With a next-gen sensor, it promises improved video quality, along with extended battery life, bigger displays, and a new feature, subject tracking and centering. Perhaps the best news about the Action 5 is that it's cheaper than the Action 4 at $349 in the Pro Combo package that includes the camera and one battery, a protective frame, quick-release adapter mount, and more. The Action 5 Pro Adventure Combo adds 2 more batteries and a charger along with a 1.5-meter extension rod for $449. Both are now available at DJI's store and most authorized retail partners. Find the latest gadget news, reviews, and price drops right now at Engadget.com. Neuralink says the Food and Drug Administration has designated its experimental Blindsight implant as a breakthrough device. The company is developing the technology in an attempt to restore blind people's sight. Manufacturers who apply to the FDA's Voluntary Breakthrough Devices Program and receive the designation from the agency are granted an opportunity to interact with FDA experts through several different program options to efficiently address topics as they arise during the pre-market review phase. The FDA also prioritizes breakthrough devices for review. Ultimately, a breakthrough device designation can accelerate development of a technology. Last year, the FDA gave the designation to 145 medical devices. Blindsight is separate from telepathy. It's implant that enables patients with spinal cord injuries to control computers using their thoughts, allowing them to play video games and design 3D objects. Neuralink owner and founder Elon Musk said in August that the company has implanted the chip into a second human patient. Musk claimed back in March that Blindsight, quote, is already working in monkeys. Resolution will be low at first, like early Nintendo graphics, but ultimately may exceed normal human vision, unquote. Federal investigators have reportedly looked into Neuralink's animal testing practices, but Musk said in March that, quote, no monkey has died or been seriously injured by a Neuralink device, unquote. Blindsight, quote, will enable even those who have lost both eyes and their optic nerve to see, unquote, Musk said following the FDA's designation. Quote, provided the visual context is intact, it will even enable those who have been blind from birth to see for the first time, unquote. He added that while the resolution of Blindsight is low to begin with, quote, eventually it has the potential to be better than natural vision and enable you to see in infrared, ultraviolet, or even radar wavelengths, unquote. Those are lofty claims, and Neuralink is some ways off from being able to fully restore sight to someone who has lost it, if it's ever actually able to do that. It's not the first company or research team to work on vision-restoring implants either. Meanwhile, as TechCrunch points out, it's unlikely that Blindsight or similar tech can help people who have been blind since birth, given that such people have not, quote, developed the biological capacity for seeing through their eyes, unquote. Thanks for listening to the show. Make sure to rate, review, and subscribe on Apple Podcasts. Today's show featured journalism by Engadget contributor Chris Holt and was produced by Spoken Layer. I'm Imran Sheikh, and as always, we'll talk more tomorrow.
Spoken Layer.